The shadow self refers to the unconscious part of our personality, consisting of repressed emotions, desires, and traits that we deny or ignore. By exploring our shadow self, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and address unresolved issues. This process can lead to personal growth and self-acceptance, as we integrate these hidden aspects into our conscious awareness. Embracing our shadow self allows us to become more authentic and balanced individuals. It encourages self-reflection and introspection, helping us confront our fears and insecurities to ultimately achieve greater emotional maturity. Tarot cards are a powerful tool for self-reflection and spiritual guidance. Each card in a tarot deck holds symbolic meaning and represents different aspects of life and human experience. Understanding the significance of tarot cards involves delving into their rich symbolism and interpretations. The history of tarot dates back centuries, originally used as a card game before evolving into a tool for divination and introspection. Today, tarot readings are commonly used for gaining insights into one's inner self and navigating life's challenges with clarity and wisdom. Tarot can serve as a mirror to our subconscious, revealing hidden aspects of ourselves that we may not be consciously aware of. Through tarot readings, individuals can uncover buried emotions, fears, and desires that make up their shadow self. The cards act as a tool for introspection and self-discovery, allowing us to confront and address these hidden aspects. By integrating tarot into shadow work practices, individuals can deepen their understanding of their inner psyche and work towards healing and personal transformation. When using tarot cards for shadow work, it's essential to interpret the cards through the lens of introspection and self-exploration. Tips for interpreting tarot cards in the context of shadow work include paying attention to symbolism, emotions evoked, and personal associations with the cards. Specific tarot cards may hold significance in representing different shadow aspects, such as the Tower card symbolizing sudden change or the Devil card representing temptation and unhealthy patterns. By delving into these meanings and reflecting on how they resonate with our own experiences, we can uncover valuable insights for shadow work. For beginners embarking on shadow work with tarot, simple exercises can kickstart the journey of self-discovery. These exercises may include daily card draws with questions related to personal growth or creating a shadow journal to record reflections and insights from tarot readings. Emphasizing the importance of self-reflection and journaling throughout the process is crucial in maintaining a dialogue with the shadow self. Regularly revisiting and reviewing journal entries can provide clarity and track progress in confronting and integrating shadow aspects, paving the way for profound personal transformation.